right here is one of the best little air guns. It's a little Springer. It's not all plastic. That is alloy. I got my little flashlight on there because I was using this to run off. You know, I had something in the yard. And a little trash can. This is a great little air gun, you know. Look at that. Yeah. DX17. This is the most economical air gun on the market right now. Look at this right here. Man, look at that. That looks like the real deal, doesn't it? 15 shot repeater, pellet gun, dart gun. You can't ask for anything better. This is a great introductory gun. It's made with quality. They're on. I don't know what kind of plastics made. It's quality. It doesn't feel cheap. And like that. It says to keep it on safe, but at that point, so put it on safe. And there's a little piece reservoirs right there, and just fill that full of beads.
I haven't really considered either going for black BBs. Umarex DX17. Go on and get yourself one.